is Eric back with Auto Replay, and I just stopped by Sermon's Alignment Shop, which is a really good alignment shop here in Tallahassee, and had them just look at the car because I'm getting some bouncing. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like bouncing up and down, and you know we put new shocks on. Let me put you right here while I'm driving. But go ahead and he told me to put 2 front tires on, and so I'm just going to go ahead and go to Discount Tire, get this knocked out, because my wife is very concerned about this, and just, yeah, it does bounce. It does bounce still. So they got the 2 tires in stock. I'm going to get them to do all the 2 tires, the 4 sensors, go ahead and get that done, and then you know, we'll just go from there. So and then he told me that for 460, you know, if I already got the control arms, he'll go ahead and put them on and align it for 460. And I'm like, shit, man, that's a deal right there to me, man. Because I mean, I know alignment's like $100. I mean, just the, you know, he's charging me probably like, you know, like $80 per control arm, and it's a lot of stuff you got to take out to get to it and stuff like that. And I'd rather have him just do it, because that way it saves me a lot of time and headache, and then we just get done with it, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna go ahead and get these tires done, and then we'll look at getting those control arms put on tomorrow, and then getting everything lined up, and we should be good to go. We should have a nice, smooth vehicle. But you know, because I was looking up all this camber, toe in, toe out, and kingpin, inclination, and all this and that, and I'm like, man, I'm just at the point where I'm just ready to have somebody just fix it, you know what I mean, that knows what the hell they're doing. So I really thought about who I could take it to, and Sermon's Alignment is a well-known shop here, and that's all they do is alignments and, you know, suspension work. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it to them, and then I think that'll fix everything that we got going on. So I'll know pretty quick after they get these 2 front tires put on. All right, so over here, Discount Tire again, and let me show you these tires I got. Oh, this is how slick they were. I mean, they're about to blow anyway. I mean, you see all the cracking on there and the wear mark here. And I think on the other side, they're definitely wearing on the inside. I think these are wearing on the outside more than this side here. So these are definitely off. And then he said with the date code is a 2015. There's a 15 here. So these are actually, what, 6 years old, 7 going on. So same thing with this one. You can see where it's definitely wearing out. So we're just going to go ahead and get 4 brand new tires and 4 sensors, and should ride a lot better. So they got it all jacked up over here. It looks good, man. Knocking it out. All right, so we're gonna check this on now. We got 4. I went ahead and just got all 4 brand new tires and new tire pressure sensors. These things look great, man. Oh, these things look so good. I got a 245, 50, 20. There was like a 275 on here before, so it wasn't the right size. They're a wider tire, so this should be a lot better. I mean, this is the exact tire that's supposed to go on this vehicle, you know what I mean? So they put new tire pressure sensors in, and yeah, man, we're going to test it out, see how it rides, and go from there. This looks good. So man, it is amazing what brand new tires do. I can tell already, having the right size on here is a little bit thicker tire, so it makes the ride a lot softer too. Because before, I think they were thinner tires, and I could feel a lot more going over bumps. It's not as bad. It's not like pulling to one side. It was like jerking, like we were getting like some bump steer or something. Like we hit a bump and like boom, it'll take you to the side. It's not as bouncy, man. So it was amazing. Like, it was a good investment, because now, you know, I can feel safe about driving on the road. I ain't got to worry about a tire blowing out, anything like that, or jerking to one side or the next, or hitting the water on the actual road and getting thrown to a different lane. And it just wasn't safe, man. And now we get those control arms put on and get it aligned. I know it'll be a real good straight driving car, man. I can tell already it's driving a lot better. Yeah, from what I can see, it looks like they're towed in. Like the wheel is sitting like this on that side and like this. So definitely having that alignment is gonna help it out. It's definitely towed. No, it's cambered out. It's cambered. That's what that is. It's cambered out. It's a negative camber still. So they'll fix that at alignment shop. But thanks for checking me out for a short video, getting these tires, and you know, we'll see about taking the sermons, getting the control arms done, stabilizer links, and getting everything in line, and then it should be good to go. So catch y'all next one.